Hello students, I am going to talk now about the recent reforms in the capital market. So when I talk about recent reforms in the capital market, so the main backbone of the capital market we consider as the stock exchanges. And when I say stock exchanges are basically regulated by SEBI. Now what is SEBI? SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. And the Securities and Exchange Board of India, it was established in the year 1988, but it became a statutory body since the year 1992. Now, what is the function carried out by SEBI? Now, the main role of SEBI, it is like it looks after the stock exchanges, the work of stockbrokers, sub-brokers. Like, for example, any broker or sub-broker has to get the certificate from the SEBI for functioning. Then, apart from this, SEBI looks after the growth of the mutual funds in the capital market. It prevents the insider trading. Then it settles all the clearing houses. It looks after the clearing corporations which are established in India with regulation in the capital, with a view to regulation in the capital market. Merchant banking is also now associated with SEBI. SEBI looks after the mergers, acquisitions, all such things. Apart from this, SEBI also promotes promoting investors' education in government securities. SEBI has also promoted derivatives trading. This is one of the important role played by SEBI, promoting derivatives trading in the capital market. So as of now, SEBI carries out all such important functions. Several guidelines have been issued for the growth of mutual funds. Several guidelines have been issued how to promote the government securities market, and so on. Right? Now, apart from SEBI, there are other reforms initiated in the capital market, like there was the establishment of National Stock Exchange of India, which we call as NSE. And this NSE, it was established in the year 1992, but it resumed its operations in the year 1994, from the year 1994. Then apart from that, we have the Over-the-Counter Exchange of India, OTCI. We also have the Securities and Trading Corporation of India. And not to overlook, there is one important function which is carried out by the capital market, a new reform which has been generated. It is about that it is allowing the foreign institutional investors, to invest into the government securities. Then we also have the clearing houses. We have the Clearing Corporation of India Limited, CCIL, which was established. So all these reforms are initiated in the capital market. And last but not the least, we have the IRDA Act, that is the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. So IRDA Act, it was passed in the year 1999, and it became operational. IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, IRDA, which is a body looks after the insurance business. It started its operation since the year 2000. So this is about your recent reforms in the capital market. Okay, thank you.